how to remove multiple friends on a Snapchat at once. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So there is no official way to do it on Snapchat, but there are some third-party apps that can help you remove multiple friends, but make sure that you use the right ones. And today I will tell you one of such important application which is available on Play Store or App Store. You can just open up Play Store and App Store and search for Click Assistant or Auto Clicker, and after that get one, and this is how it will appear. After that you will be able to set different click points on your Snapchat and just keep your device on, and this auto clicker will work and remove all your friends one by one, and you won't have to go through all these process manually. And this is the closest possible way to help you remove friends from your Snapchat. It can remove as much as 1000 friends from your Snapchat, and it is quite useful. I hope this video helped you. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.